There are 7 everyday habits that silently speed up your aging, and I can almost guarantee you're doing at least 3 of them without realizing it. But here's the good news: the same 7 habits, once corrected, can noticeably slow that process down and make your face look fresher, brighter, and more alive than it has in years. What most people don't realize is that aging rarely shows up all at once. It creeps in through tiny, repeated patterns: the way you sit, the way you wake up, the way you rush through your day. And because these habits feel so normal, you never think they're affecting your skin, your energy, or the way your face looks over time. But once you understand the biology behind them and how your body reacts to your daily routine, you'll see exactly why some people look years younger than they actually are, and how you can do the same. Habit number 1 is something almost everyone does: keeping your head tilted down while scrolling or working. It feels harmless, but that position weakens the muscles supporting your jawline. And once they fatigue, gravity makes the lower face look heavier and older. A small fix like lifting your screen can make a huge difference. But the next habit ages you even before you notice it. Habit number 2 is something people underestimate every single day: rushing through your mornings without giving your body a real wake-up. When you go straight from stress to activity, your cortisol spikes before your skin is ready, leading to puffiness, dullness, and that tired by 10 a.m. look. Just a calm minute of slow breathing or light movement can reset it. And the next habit affects your skin even hours after it happens. Habit number 3 is eating on autopilot, grabbing quick, sugary snacks when you're tired or busy. Those rapid sugar spikes trigger inflammation in your skin and break down the proteins that keep your face firm and smooth. The result: a more drained, uneven look, even on days you sleep well. Replacing just one sugary snack with something steady makes a visible difference. But habit number 4 affects your face in a completely different way: through tension. Habit number 4 is carrying tension in your face without noticing it, tightening your jaw, furrowing your brows, or clenching during the day. These micro expressions train your muscles into permanent lines and keep your face in a constant stress shape. A quick jaw release or brow reset can undo hours of tension. But the next habit doesn't come from stress, it comes from your environment. Habit number 5 is spending almost your entire day indoors, under artificial light that disrupts your natural rhythm. Without real daylight, your skin loses its brightness and your face takes on a dull, low-energy look. Even a few minutes of natural light can reset that balance. But habit number 6 shows up not during the day, but while you sleep. Habit number 6 is sleeping on the same side every night. That repeated pressure folds your skin the same way for hours, causing deeper lines and mild puffiness on just one side of your face. Switching sides or using a softer pillow can slow that down. But the final habit is the one people deny the most, and it ages you faster than all the others combined. Habit number 7 is pretending you're fine when your body is clearly overstressed. Chronic stress doesn't just drain your mind, it pumps hormones that thin your skin, slow repair, and leave your face looking older, even on calm days. Acknowledging stress and releasing it in small ways can reverse more aging than you'd expect. And now that you know all 7, here's how they connect into one simple pattern. When you look at all 7 habits, they have one thing in common. They don't age you because you're getting older, they age you because they interrupt your body's natural balance. Tiny daily stressors, posture shifts, sugar spikes, tension, and poor rhythm all push your skin away from repair mode and into survival mode. But the moment you remove even a few of these triggers, your face begins to recover, brighter, smoother, and more alive than you thought possible. Aging isn't something that suddenly shows up one day. It's the result of small choices repeated over time. But that also means your future face is in your hands. Change even a few of these habits, and in a few weeks you'll notice a lighter, brighter, more energized version of yourself looking back at you in the mirror. If you want to keep slowing the aging process the smart way, make sure you subscribe. I share simple, science-backed habits that genuinely change how you look and feel.